Hi guys, so are you ready to take two of the most beloved Indian dishes and combine them into one spectacular flavor bomb? Today we are making a modern classic that's a true celebration of bold spices, our incredible chicken 65 biryani. This isn't your traditional biryani. We are talking about succulent, spicy and perfectly crispy chicken 65 pieces layered with aromatic fragrant basmati rice, all slow cooked together to create a dish that is simply unforgettable. It's the perfect fusion of fiery street food and a comforting classic rice dish. Whether you're looking for a show-stopping dish for a party or a delicious weekend feast, this recipe is a guarantee hit. So grab your ingredients and let's get ready to create some magic. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, please do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now let's get cooking and let's begin with this recipe. So first take 800 grams boneless chicken, preferably thigh pieces, add some salt to taste, add half cup yogurt, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 stock cube, half cup corn flour, half cup maida or all-purpose flour, 35 to 40 curry leaves finely chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, 1 whole egg, 1/4 teaspoon red food color. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoon water, just enough to make a thick coating. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the batter is nice and thick and it nicely coats the chicken pieces. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply rest it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then deep fry the chicken pieces. Make sure that the oil is not too hot. Fry it until the chicken is nice and crispy. Once you add the chicken, do not mix it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. And fry it for about 10 to 12 minutes. So the chicken is perfectly cooked now. When the chicken is ready, then simply leave it in a separate plate. So the chicken 65 is ready. As you can see that the chicken 65 looks so delicious. Let me show you one piece closely. This chicken 65 is so crispy on the outside and soft inside. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a pan, keep water for boiling, cover it and allow it to boil. Then add half tablespoon cumin seeds, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 5 green cardamom, 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 20 to 25 curry leaves, 2 green chilies. Add some salt to taste. Then simply add 3 cups basmati rice washed and soaked for about 20 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. And cover it and cook it until the rice is 80% cooked. So the rice is cooked about 80% now. Then simply strain the rice. Then in a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Add 2 to 3 tablespoon oil. Add 2 bay leaves, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 4 green cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 2 green chilies, 30 to 35 curry leaves, and fry it for a minute. Then add 3 onions sliced and fry the onion until it is nice and dark brown. Then add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute. Then add 3 tomatoes chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add half cup water. I added water just to reduce the heat of the pan before adding the yogurt. Then add 1 cup yogurt, or else the yogurt will split if the pan is too hot. Then give it a nice mix. Then add half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 3 tablespoon biryani masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and then cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let all the masalas nicely cook with the onion. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube. Add half cup water. And then give it a nice mix. Then cook it until the gravy is nice and thick and the oil separates. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the gravy is nice and thick now. Then simply add the chicken 65 pieces and then give it a nice mix. Make sure to keep some chicken 65 pieces for garnish later. Then simply add the rice and nicely spread it. Then add some chopped coriander leaves, some curry leaves, some mint leaves, 3 tablespoons ghee or clarified butter, add some orange food coloring. Then add the chicken 65 pieces and then cover it and cook it until the rice is fully cooked. Cook it on a low flame for about 35 to 40 minutes. So the rice is perfectly cooked now. Then give it a nice mix. So the chicken 65 biryani is ready. And there you have it guys, your very own spectacular and utterly delicious chicken 65 biryani. Just look at that perfect fusion of crispy spicy chicken and fragrant tender biryani rice. This dish is a true celebration of flavor and a guaranteed crowd pleaser for any occasion. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.